The Big Nine: How Tech Titans and Governments Are Transforming Artificial Intelligence, is a thought-provoking book written by Amy Webb, an American futurist, professor, and founder of the Future Today Institute. Published in 2019, the book delves into the rise of artificial intelligence (AI) and its implications for the future. Webb explores the dominance of 9 major AI companies and their relationships with governments, shedding light on the potential consequences of their actions on society. In The Big Nine, Amy Webb argues that the future of AI is being shaped by a small group of powerful companies and governments. She identifies these entities as the Big Nine: Amazon, Google, Facebook, IBM, Microsoft, Apple, Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent. These companies not only have the technological prowess to drive AI development but also wield enormous influence over governments and policies. The book begins by outlining the history and current state of AI, providing readers with a foundation for understanding the subsequent analysis. Webb explores the limitations and biases inherent in AI systems, emphasizing the importance of ethical considerations in the development and deployment of AI technologies. She warns of the potential risks associated with AI, including job displacement, algorithmic bias, privacy concerns, and the concentration of power in the hands of a few dominant players. Webb then proceeds to dissect each of the Big Nine companies individually, examining their AI strategies, research initiatives, and societal impact. She analyzes their respective strengths and weaknesses, shedding light on the ways in which these companies shape AI development and influence public policy. Throughout the book, Webb emphasizes the need for transparency, accountability, and collaboration among these powerful entities to ensure that AI benefits society as a whole. Furthermore, The Big Nine delves into the geopolitical aspects of AI. Webb explores the dynamics between the Big Nine and governments, particularly those of the United States and China. She highlights the race for AI dominance between these two nations, examining their differing approaches, investments, and regulatory frameworks. Webb warns of the potential consequences of unchecked AI development, such as the erosion of privacy rights, mass surveillance, and the exacerbation of social inequalities. As the book progresses, Webb provides readers with a glimpse into possible future scenarios shaped by the Big Nine's actions. She explores the concept of algorithmic authoritarianism and how AI can be used to reinforce existing power structures. Webb also introduces the idea of a coordinated universal benefits framework, proposing a new social contract that addresses the potential negative impacts of AI on employment, social welfare, and individual rights. The Big Nine concludes with a call to action. Webb emphasizes the need for a multidisciplinary approach to AI governance, involving not only engineers and technologists but also policymakers, ethicists, social scientists, and citizens at large. She advocates for increased public engagement, regulatory frameworks that prioritize human values, and collective efforts to mitigate the risks and ensure a more equitable and sustainable AI future. Key themes: the rise of AI and its implications. The Big Nine delves into the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence and its potential impact on various aspects of society. Webb provides readers with a comprehensive understanding of AI, starting with its historical roots and leading up to its current state. She explores the fundamental concepts and technologies behind AI, including machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. The book highlights the potential benefits of AI, such as improved efficiency, enhanced healthcare diagnostics, and personalized user experiences. However, Webb also presents the potential risks and challenges associated with AI. She discusses the displacement of jobs due to automation, the amplification of algorithmic biases, and the ethical implications of AI decision-making. Webb emphasizes the need for proactive measures to address these risks and ensure that AI development aligns with societal values. She argues that a responsible approach to AI should prioritize transparency, explainability, and fairness. Additionally, she stresses the importance of interdisciplinary collaboration and ethical frameworks to guide the design and deployment of AI systems. The book explores real-world examples of AI applications and their implications. Webb discusses instances of AI-powered surveillance, facial recognition technologies, and data privacy concerns. She raises awareness about the potential misuse of AI by authoritarian governments and the need for robust regulations to safeguard individual rights. Through her analysis, Webb encourages readers to critically assess the impact of AI on various domains, including employment, education, healthcare, and governance. She prompts readers to consider the social, economic, and ethical consequences of AI deployment, urging policymakers, technologists, and citizens to actively shape the future trajectory of AI. The power dynamics of the Big Nine. The Big Nine delves into the immense power and influence held by 9 major companies in the AI industry: Amazon, Google, Facebook, IBM, Microsoft, Apple, Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent. Webb explores the strategies and capabilities of these companies, shedding light on their dominance and the ways in which they shape AI development. Each of the Big Nine companies is analyzed individually, highlighting their unique strengths and contributions to the field of AI. Webb discusses their research initiatives, investments, and acquisitions, showcasing their efforts to stay at the forefront of AI innovation. She also examines their business models and the services they provide, emphasizing their impact on various sectors, including e-commerce, search engines, social media, cloud computing, and autonomous vehicles. The book addresses the complex relationships between the Big Nine companies and governments. Webb explores how these companies influence public policy, lobby for favorable regulations, and partner with governments on AI initiatives. She raises concerns about the concentration of power in the hands of a few companies and the potential implications for democracy, individual rights, and fair competition. Moreover, Webb examines the global reach of the Big Nine and their influence beyond their home countries. She highlights the expansion of Chinese companies like Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent, and their efforts to shape AI development not only domestically but also internationally. The book also explores the competition between the United States and China for AI supremacy and the potential geopolitical consequences of this rivalry. Geopolitical implications. The Big Nine delves into the geopolitical dimensions of AI, particularly focusing on the competition between the United States and China. Webb provides insights into the different approaches and investments made by these two nations to establish themselves as leaders in the AI industry. The book explores the technological race between the United States and China, highlighting the significant investments made by both countries to advance AI research and development. Webb examines the strategies employed by each nation to foster innovation, attract talent, and drive economic growth through AI. Webb also sheds light on the contrasting regulatory frameworks and approaches to privacy and data protection in the United States and China. She discusses the implications of these differing approaches on AI development, ethical considerations, and individual rights. The Big Nine raises concerns about the potential consequences of unchecked AI development within a geopolitical context. Webb discusses the risks of mass surveillance, erosion of privacy rights, and the potential for AI to be weaponized by authoritarian governments. She urges governments and policymakers to develop robust regulations and international norms to ensure that AI technologies are developed and used responsibly. The book provides a broader perspective on the global implications of AI, including its impact on trade, national security, and economic competitiveness. Webb emphasizes the need for international collaboration and cooperation in shaping the future of AI, advocating for a global framework that addresses the challenges and ensures the equitable and beneficial deployment of AI technologies. By exploring the power dynamics and geopolitical implications of AI, The Big Nine offers readers a comprehensive understanding of the broader context in which AI is evolving. It highlights the need for proactive engagement by governments, organizations, and individuals to shape AI policies and frameworks that prioritize ethical considerations, protect individual rights, and promote international cooperation. Ethical considerations. The Big Nine places a strong emphasis on the ethical considerations surrounding artificial intelligence. Webb raises critical questions about the potential risks and consequences of AI deployment and advocates for a responsible and human-centric approach to its development and use. The book explores the ethical challenges associated with AI, such as algorithmic bias, privacy concerns, and the potential for AI to reinforce existing social inequalities. Webb highlights the need for transparency in AI systems and algorithms, as well as the importance of accountability for the decisions made by AI systems. One key aspect of AI ethics that Webb addresses is the issue of algorithmic bias. She explains how biases can be inadvertently embedded in AI systems, perpetuating unfair and discriminatory outcomes. Webb advocates for diversity and inclusivity in AI development teams to mitigate biases and ensure the creation of more equitable AI technologies. Furthermore, the book discusses the potential impact of AI on employment. Webb acknowledges that AI has the potential to automate various tasks and jobs, leading to job displacement. She stresses the importance of developing strategies to mitigate the social and economic consequences of such displacement. Webb proposes the idea of a coordinated universal benefits framework, which would address the impact of AI on employment and provide support and opportunities for affected individuals. Webb also explores the ethical implications of AI in the realm of privacy and data protection. She discusses concerns regarding the collection, use, and potential misuse of personal data by AI systems. Webb emphasizes the importance of informed consent, data ownership, and robust privacy regulations to protect individuals' rights and maintain public trust in AI technologies. The Big Nine encourages interdisciplinary collaboration to address AI ethics comprehensively. Webb highlights the need for technologists, policymakers, ethicists, social scientists, and citizens to engage in a dialogue about the ethical implications of AI. She calls for the development of ethical frameworks and guidelines that prioritize human values, fairness, and societal well-being. Throughout the book, Webb underscores the importance of public engagement and awareness. She emphasizes the need for society as a whole to actively participate in shaping the future of AI, advocating for increased public understanding of AI technologies and their potential impacts. Webb believes that an informed and engaged citizenry is essential for holding governments and companies accountable and ensuring that AI serves the broader interests of humanity. In summary, The Big Nine prompts readers to consider the ethical dimensions of AI. It underscores the importance of addressing algorithmic bias, privacy concerns, and the societal impact of AI deployment. By emphasizing the need for transparency, accountability, and inclusive decision-making processes, Webb encourages individuals, organizations, and policymakers to prioritize ethical considerations and ensure that AI technologies align with human values and contribute positively to society.